Hi friends, good morning. How are you? Today we are going to discuss stationary waves in closed organ pipe. I am asking one question. Why does an open organ pipe produces sweeter sound than closed organ pipe? You can answer this question after listening this video. You put your answers in our group. Concentrate on these figures. You see, this pipe is closed at one end, so we are calling as closed organ pipe. A pipe which is closed one end, we call it as closed organ pipe. Stationary waves are formed in the organ pipe. Then you have to know two important points. One is, in stationary waves, distance between two adjacent nodes or antinodes is lambda by 2. Two adjacent nodes or antinodes, same nodes or same antinodes, will have the distance of lambda by 2. In different node and antinode, if there is a node and antinode, the distance is lambda by 4. If both are nodes, distance is lambda by 2. If both are antinodes, even though both are antinodes, distance is lambda by 2. If one is node and another one is antinode, then distance is lambda by 4. You have to keep in mind to proceed. You know V is equals to F lambda. This is very important. V is equals to F lambda. Observe first case. In this, total length of the organ pipe is covered with one antinode and one node. Here A is shown indicated for antinode and N is indicated for node. The distance between antinode and node is lambda by 4. So this L becomes lambda by 4. You observe this. This is a most important one now. You observe this. The distance between antinode and node is equals to the length of the organ pipe. So L becomes lambda by 4. From this you have to find lambda. Lambda is 4L. From L is equals to lambda by 4, you get lambda is equals to 4L. Fundamental frequency, to find fundamental frequency, F is equals to V by lambda. So V by lambda means V by 4L. So this is fundamental frequency. So F1 you got L, V by 4L. In case of open pipe, fundamental frequency was V by 2L. In this case it is F1 is equals to V by 4L. Now you go to second case. Now you observe here what is length becomes. Here antinode and node. So this distance is lambda by 4, and node and antinode. This distance is lambda by 4, and antinode and node. This distance is lambda by 4. See, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4. So total length becomes lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, lambda by 4. This becomes 3 lambda by 4. From this you get lambda is equals to 4L by 3. From this you have to find second frequency. So F2 is equals to V by lambda. So V by 4L by 3. So F2 is equals to this 3 comes up to numerator. So it becomes 3 into V by 4L. 3 into V by 4L when you write a multiplication form. So listen to me. V whole by 4L by 3. This becomes 3 times V by 4L. So this is 3F1. If you find other frequencies in the similar manner, you will get as F1 is to F2 is to F3 is equals to 1 is to 3 is to 5. So in closed organ pipes, frequencies are in the ratio of 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7, so on. So here are only odd numbers are there. In open organ pipe, in case of open organ pipe, you are getting all numbers 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5, so on. So you have to remember what is the change, what is the difference between these two. Now we will solve one problem, very important problem. For certain organ pipe, 3 successive resonance frequencies are observed at 75, 125, 175 hertz respectively. Explain which type of pipe. To find the type of pipe, what Students, listen to me. To find the which type of pipe, you have to find the ratios of frequencies. In this, frequencies are given as 75, 125, 175. So, ratios of frequencies is 75 is to 125 is to 175. 25 3 ja, 25 5 ja, 25 7 ja. Then you are getting as 3 is to 5 is to 7 odd numbers. So, it is closed organ pipe because we got ratios in odd numbers. So, it is closed organ pipes. Thank you.